Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Atom IDE. Atom IDE is a famous IDE and is a text editor, and it's usually used by developers to write programming languages such as Java, Python, PHP, etc. Web developers also use this Atom IDE to develop their web applications. In this video we will see how to download and install Atom IDE. So let us start. Open your browser and write down here Atom IDE and click enter, and you can see here the atom.io. Open this and you can see here that we have here Windows 64-bit. So click here download. Here you can see it's downloading. Now the download has been completed. Click here to open it and minimize this window. Now the setup window has been launched. Now the Atom IDE has been installed and you can see the interface window. You can click here file and you will see here you can open your folder, or you can add project folder, or you can open here file or create a new file, and you can also open here project as well, and you can also install a package by clicking install a package here, or choose a theme. For example, I will click here install a package, and you can see here we can click here open installer, and you can search here different packages you want to install. For example, I want to install Python, and it will search. You can see here there are a number of available packages, and you can install one of them. And there are some packages which are inbuilt in the Atom IDE. Click here and see, these are the packages which are already installed at the time of installation of Atom IDE. And for example, we can open and add folder project here. For example, I will create a folder here, name with work, and click here and select this folder, and you can click here, nothing is here, and we can create a new file. And for example, I will write some code here, print, and inverted commas, print, and save it. For example, python.py, and save it. And now this is all about how to download and install Atom IDE, and I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel.